ahead and get into this video. As you can tell by the title, I am doing a review unboxing. I already took it out of the box though. And review on my water flosser that I recently purchased from Amazon. I haven't got a chance to use it yet, but you know, we about to use it together. Already taking it out of the box. This is it. Let's just go over the things that's on the box. Alright, so it's a Hanasco something, I don't know. But yeah, this is the name, this is the model, in case you guys want to get one. It includes 4 jet tips. The thing, it holds 200 milliliters of water. And it has a 2000 mAh lithium battery. These are the tips, y'all. So these are the classic jet tips. You get 2 of those. And you get 1 of the plaque secret tips. And you get 1 ultra pickpocket tip. And it's made like that, so I guess it's anyway, let's go ahead and you know, get some water in this bad boy so we can use it and see what it's about. You get 4 speeds on it. Normal, okay, normal, pulse, and soft, or normal, soft, and pulse. 4 hours fast charging, 400 to 100 psi pressure range, and yeah, and it, you know, lets you know when your battery is going dead. So yeah, whatever. Let's go ahead and get this thing filled up with some water. Okay, and to fill it all the way up, hold it this way so you can get, you know, all the water in there. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the jet tip. So when you stick it in, you're gonna turn it to the left to lock it in. Okay, okay. All right, so let me do this. I'm not sure what setting is already on, so we're just gonna go. I'm scared. So that was pulse because I felt it, the little pew, 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 pew. Yeah, did pretty good. It was a beat my gum down. So, I don't know. It kind of felt good though. It kind of felt like a massage. So let's try a different tip. We're going to try a different setting. Let's do the plaque seeker. Stick this bad boy. Stick this bad boy in here and turn it to the left. So that was definitely normal. And normal ain't playing no games. Your field ain't nothing normal about it. It's shooting water out like firefighters, you feel me? But it's definitely working. I mean, it's beating down the block for sure. Now let's do soft, and then we're gonna use the ultra pickpocket tip. All right, so yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah, and this little button here changed the settings, y'all. Y'all, let me hurry up and get this thing off this. Okay, so it comes out differently according to the tip, because normal with the plaque seeker was okay. But I put this this tip on here, and Lord, it like took me to the king. Okay, let's try to switch this in real quick. Okay, So it definitely depends on the tip. Cause this little thing right here, I'm talking about the tip. This tip got some force behind it. I don't know what they got going on with that one, but this little thing is worth it. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I will drop the price and everything down there. It comes with a little charger. I forgot to show y'all the charger. Yeah, but it's definitely worth it. It cleans really well. Once again, the name is this, and this is the model H100. You can get it in black or white. I didn't know that. They just picked the color for me. But yeah, it's definitely a good buy. So I do recommend this Water-Flosser. It's gonna get your teeth clean. Do you hear me? Anywho, yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like what you seen, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Hey, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Peace, love, happiness.